Are you tired of getting lost in Gusto's menu maze just to invite your first employee? Discover the exact click-by-click process to add a new hire in under 3 minutes. We'll go step by step through the entire employee invitation flow, covering every required field from name and email to work state, department, and salary. All right, the first thing you'll want to do is open up Gusto in your browser and make sure you're logged in. Now that you're in, go ahead and click on People to jump into the Teams section. Then, click on Add Person to kick off the setup process for your new hire. A form will appear. Go ahead and type the employee's first name in the first name field. Now, move down to the middle initial field and type in your employee's middle initial if they have one. Then, go ahead and fill in the last name field with your employee's surname or legal last name. After that, type the preferred first name, the name you'll actually call them around the office. Then, click on the Employee option to set the person's role as an employee. Now, go ahead and type your employee's email address into the email field we'll use for their Gusto account. Once that's filled in, click Save and Continue to move on to the next part of the setup. On the next screen, you'll need to pick your work state. Click on the work state field. For example, you might click on AZ if the employee lives in Arizona. Next up, click on the Start Date field to choose when the employee officially starts. For example, you can click on the 8th to set it to the 8th of the month. Now, you'll want to put this employee in a department, so go ahead and click on Create Department. Then, go ahead and type the department name into the field that pops up. Once you've typed it, click Save to confirm and create the department. Next, you'll need to choose the employee type. Click on that field and select the one that applies. Then, type in the employee's hourly rate, the amount they'll be paid for each hour worked. Once you've entered that number, go ahead and click Save and Continue to move forward. Finally, click the Send and Continue button to wrap up and send off the invitation. And there you have it. You've successfully invited your employee to Gusto for the first time. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new hire. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.